This is a great event. The Summer Splash Bash, as it's called. Great for the kids to be out, look like they're enjoying themselves. This is great weather. I know it was sunnier a little bit earlier today, but hey, we're from Laredo. We like the sun, we like the heat. So this is an opportunity for the kids to come out, enjoy themselves, enjoy the community, enjoy the quality of life, and have that family unit that we all praise. That's who we are for the city of Laredo. So it's a great event. And I'm glad to be here and to support all these events.
We have the Summer Splash Bash going on here as this is a Mercy water park, and as you can tell behind me, we have people from the public coming up, getting free hot dogs, free chips, free drinks, all that good stuff.